Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. After you open the application, find the devices icon and tap on it to open the devices menu. Here, look for the HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro on the list of devices and tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on Restore and wait. The watch will disappear from the device page and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings in a couple of seconds. Here we have it. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.